This fish stew is so good. It is what you call a banger. I don't even know if that's a thing, but yeah, this is so good, guys. Right, let me show you how to make it. Welcome back to my active kitchen. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I really want to see you guys again. Right, let's get into it. I will marinate my red headless with this simple everyday spices. But this is the best marinade for fish ever, trust me. And you can't go wrong with it. So I will be using some stock cubes, some ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and some dried parsley. I'm going to mix it into the fish until well combined, like get in there properly and give the fish some bit of TLC. But be careful not to hurt yourself from the bone in the fish. So I will leave this on the side for about 30 minutes covered with cling film to marinate. So yeah, I will arrange the fish on a prepared baking rack on a single layer. Then spray some cooking oil on it. So this helps the fish to grill properly, if you say. And I will be grilling the fish for a total of 20 minutes. That is 10 minutes on both sides. And while that is going on, I'm going to blend my pepper. And today I'm using 2 red bell pepper, a can of chopped tomatoes, and onion. And this onion, I'm going to be reserving a quarter of a bowl so to use for later. So while the fish is still grilling, I'll just move on to boiling the pepper mix to reduce in size. This will cut down the cooking time and would also save me using excess oil, if you say. So yeah. So what I'm doing is I love to use this large frying pan for it because it just makes the job quicker and faster for me. My fish is grilled now, so let's make the stew. Place a pan on medium heat, then I will go in my vegetable oil and heat until hot. Then I will be adding the remaining chopped onion to it and stir it to soften and to transfer. This just flavors the oil. That's a good base for the stew. So yeah, I would then carefully go in with the pepper mix. Then give it a gentle stir. I'm just going to stir it gently and bring it to boil for about 10 minutes. You don't have to cover the stew, but you may cover it because, we start splashing everywhere. So that's why you probably see me going in and out with my splash guard. So I do this when it's getting crazy. So yeah, my 10 minutes is over. I'm just going to come in, give it a good stir again, then season with some stock cube and some more salt. I'm using just a little bit because you're still going to test at the end and adjust according to your taste. And at this point, the whole place should be smelling the goodness of the stew already. You can tell it's got a bright future, right? Right, let's get to it. So I'm just going to return the grilled fish into the stew. And just carefully, because yeah, it's looking all cramped now. So I'm just going to carefully put some stew over the fish. I like to, because this is not like a proper fried stew, so I just like to cover my fish a bit so the stew, marries the fish properly. Everything gets, so the fish, gets a bit of flavor or the juice from the pepper mix as well. So it's not like your fish is on one side, then the stew is on another side. So yeah, I'm just going to finish this with some basil leaf. You can use scent leaf if you have. This is just to give it some extra vavavoom. And yeah, leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is too much. 5 minutes is good. Yes, soup is ready. Just look at that. That looks so good, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. I will see you in my next post.